Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring MySQL and PHP's PDO MySQL are available because Laravel needs the PDO driver to connect. Once done, create the database and user so Laravel has credentials to use. Now edit your projects. Env and change DB connection to MySQL, then fill DB host, DB port, DB database, DB username, and DB password. After updating, run PHP artisan config, clear to force Laravel to read the new settings. This prevents cached config from pointing at Sqlite. Next, you update config/database. PHP to confirm the MySQL connection uses the right host, port, charset, and collation so indexes and comparisons behave correctly. Make sure you remove or archive the Sqlite file to avoid accidental reads. Then run PHP artisan migrate to apply your migrations to MySQL. Add seed if you need seed data. If you previously used Sqlite-specific columns or types, adjust those migrations before migrating so SQL syntax and column lengths match MySQL expectations. Finally, test the app end-to-end. Run a few routes, queue jobs, and execute queries to confirm data integrity and performance. Make sure you clear any caches with PHP artisan config clear and PHP artisan route clear so no old settings persist. Deploy with correct environment variables. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to check for PHP PDO MySQL being enabled and verify credentials. Many failures are SQL state access denied or driver missing. Fix those, clear caches again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.